this right here is the new facelift to the Grand Cherokee. Ooh, look at that interior. Wow, that is beautiful. Take a look at the inside here. Got ourselves a screen. Got the shifter knob. Not a super fan of those. We got the LED cup holders here. Fairly decent. Obviously, it's not a light. We got good light in here. Oh, look at that. So the secondary, there's regular. Then there's another latch right up here, where you can just lift that and have the stuff on the top. That's a nice, good feeling interior. Seats all the way back. Look at the exterior color coming into the interior there. That's a sweet combo. I like that. Ooh, nice quality. Very nice. Very, very good. Check out the rear seats. Oh, that's pretty decent. Got the cabin chairs. Got the 6-seater rear row setup going on there. We got the very nice cup holders here on the side. Now this is interesting. Not a whole lot of space in the door. Got a little bit of a cup holder there, and not too bad. Got the giant screens on the back that you can knock off with your knee. That's always fun. Got air vents. I don't see any up top. Okay, I see some back there for the rear that are coming from the back, so they're going to be blowing from behind you, it looks like. But that is some nice interior. I'm going to jump in here real quick. See how... Oh, I'm getting in the wrong way. Hold on. In we go. Ah. Oh, that is... There's the door there. A little bit tight. Good, overall pretty good seat, but a little bit on the tight side, I'd have to say. Seems like I got a little bit on the thinner side, but nice smooth opening door. Interior, I do like the two-tone that's going on in here. It looks very nice. Checking out the front on this here. I was hoping they were going to have a Hornet to look at, but it doesn't look like they do today. But the front end, not one of my favorites, but it does give you a little bit of the Charger look almost, which is kind of cool. Looking at the wheel options here, looking pretty good. Good ride height. Look at the back. Yeah, that gives you a lot of Durango vibe right there. See, these obviously can lay back, so forward. Oh, and that comes all the way off there. That's a pretty good amount of storage. Oh, and then you got a nice little pocket over there. Pocket, that's a speaker over there. Huh. Nice. So here's a few more options on the Cherokee. We got the nice Charger and Challenger-like wheels. Oh, look at this interior though. Oh, beautiful. Look at the stitching with then the wood accents. Wow, that is Ram level interior coloring right there. And that is some nice interior. Wow. Looks sweet. Oh, this is the Summit trim. See what the... Oh yeah, look at that. Nice stitching going around the speaker. Got the center console here, so that's... I wonder how you get back there. That's kind of interesting. But center console on this particular option. So basically this is just... Yeah, this is just a copy here of the front. Just reversed almost. Huh. Interesting. That's a very cool looking trim. Then you got the light colored roof rails. Looks like it's got a... Yeah, you got the open roof right there. Got the American badge, made in America. Very nice. That one looks really good in the blackout. And then the interior is just beautiful. Looks nice. Very, very nice. It's a little bit longer. So let's look at the interior here. So about the same setup. We got this beautiful color option right here. Looks good. Nice wheel option. Got the two-tone wheel with light and black. Oh, this one is the 5-seater. Look at how much... Oh, they have extra wheel in the back. So 5-seater option here. Looks sweet. The interior here, and then you got the two-tone kind of going on along here on the window's edge. And nice light colored interior, not one of my favorites, but that looks really good in this color. Like it. Same interior console and stuff. Got the same two-tone blacked out wheels. Look at the front. Oh, got the tow hooks in chrome. That looks nice.